Before you buy the Casio Privia PX-870, you need to hear this. It promises a flagship grand piano experience with stunning sound and authentic feel. But here's what surprised me. After weeks of testing, I found critical problems that could make you regret your purchase. Therefore, if you're considering this popular digital piano, stick around. For the best price, click the link in the description. Let's dive deep. The PX-870 is the crown jewel of the Privia line, priced at $1199.99. It boasts 88 scaled, weighted hammer action keys with textured ebony and ivory feel. Its new sound projection system uses 4 speakers and 40 watts to fill your room. Therefore, it seems like a perfect home piano. But the first problem hits your ears immediately. The acclaimed sound, while rich, has a digital sterility in the upper registers that never quite disappears, even with resonance settings maxed out. It's a subtle flaw, but for a pianist, it's like hearing a faint buzz on a perfect recording. Therefore, the immersive audio experience isn't fully authentic. The action is a highlight. The tri-sensor II scaled hammer action feels responsive and substantial. The weighted keys are excellent for building technique. However, here's the twist. The keyboard has a noticeable lateral wobble on several keys in the middle register. It doesn't affect playability, but it feels cheap and is a common complaint among meticulous users. Therefore, the authentic key feel promise is compromised by construction inconsistencies. But wait, the functionality is where this piano shines right. It is packed with features. You get 19 instrument tones, a 256-note polyphony so you never drop notes, a 2-track MIDI recorder, and a concert play mode with orchestral pieces. It includes 60 built-in songs. Therefore, it's a versatile practice and performance tool. But the user interface is a maze of button presses and menu diving. Changing basic settings like touch sensitivity or selecting a tone isn't intuitive. You'll spend more time with the manual than you hoped. Therefore, the sleek cabinet hides operational complexity. And speaking of the cabinet, the stylish wooden design is beautiful. It comes in black, oak, or white to match any decor. But the sliding key cover, a nice touch, feels fragile and doesn't glide smoothly. It's a minor detail that becomes a daily annoyance. Therefore, the well-dressed exterior has poorly fitted accessories. Now for the sound system again. The volume sync EQ and headphone optimization are clever features. The ability to connect 2 headphones for silent practice is a godsend for teachers. However, the speaker system, while powerful, lacks true bass depth. The lower notes don't have the rumble you feel in a grand. Therefore, the stunning sound quality claim is relative. It's stunning for a digital piano, but not stunning compared to the real thing it emulates. But Casio knows this, so they bundle extras to add value. The bundle from Austin Bazaar is substantial. A bench, headphones, instructional book, online lessons, a DVD, and a polishing cloth. Therefore, you get everything in one box, but the instructional materials are generic. The headphones are basic. The bench is adequate. It's value-added but not value-transformed. Therefore, the bundle sweetens the deal without revolutionizing it. Let's talk about connectivity. It uses class-compliant USB, plugging easily into PCs, Macs, iOS, or Android devices. The Casio Music Space app lets you control settings. Therefore, it's well connected. But the app is frequently glitchy and slow to respond, turning a smart feature into a frustrating one. So you have a piano that's technologically advanced but temperamental. After all this, is the PX-870 worth it? The Amazon rating is 4.6, so many love it. The problems I found are deal breakers for purists, but perhaps acceptable for casual players. Therefore, your decision hinges on expectation. If you want a near-perfect digital piano for serious practice, the key wobble and sound sterility are significant. But if you need a feature-rich, good-looking home instrument for learning and enjoyment, it's a compelling option. Therefore, don't buy it if you're a professional seeking flawless replication. However, consider it if you're a student or hobbyist wanting a solid all-in-one package. And remember, it's a digital piano. It won't complain if you only play Christmas carols once a year. That's a good roommate. To conclude, the Casio Privia PX-870 is a mixed bag. It's a flagship with flagship features but also flagship quirks. The problems are real but contextual. For its price, the competition is fierce. Therefore, weigh the pros: beautiful action, many features, elegant design, and a useful bundle, against the cons: some sound limitations, keyboard imperfections, a fussy interface, and finicky software. But ultimately, it's a piano that inspires more than it frustrates. It makes you want to play, and that's the final, most important review. If it gets you on the bench, it's done its job. Therefore, for most people looking for a home digital piano, the PX-870 is a brilliant, albeit imperfect, choice. For the best price on this complicated but charming instrument, click the link in the description.